Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the refined world of the 2025 Audi A5 luxury sedan, a car that blends elegance, innovation, and performance in a way few others can match. At first glance, the 2025 Audi A5 doesn't scream for attention, but that's exactly its charm. With its sleek lines, sharp LED lighting, and updated grille design, the A5 carries an understated confidence. Audi has made subtle but meaningful design tweaks for 2025, giving the sedan a more athletic stance while maintaining its signature sophistication. The coupe-like silhouette remains, and it's this balance between sport and class that defines the A5's presence on the road. Under the hood, the A5 offers a choice between a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with either 201 or 261 horsepower, depending on the trim. All models are paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The result: smooth, responsive acceleration and a driving experience that's both dynamic and composed. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving through mountain roads, the A5 delivers with grace and control. Step inside, and you're greeted by Audi's hallmark interior craftsmanship. The cabin of the 2025 A5 is a blend of premium materials, minimalist design, and cutting-edge technology. Leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of luxury. The new 12.3-inch virtual cockpit digital display is crisp and informative, while the 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything feels intuitive and built with the driver in mind. Audi hasn't just focused on comfort, they've packed the A5 with safety and driver assistance features. Standard tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, and parking sensors. Higher trims bring even more advanced systems like traffic jam assist and 360-degree cameras. It's a sedan that not only pampers but also protects. One of the standout aspects of the A5 is how quiet and composed it is on the move. Audi has done an excellent job insulating the cabin from road and wind noise, making long drives a pleasure. The suspension strikes a near-perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Optional adaptive dampers let you tweak the ride to your liking, whether you're in the mood for a smooth glide or a more connected drive. Fuel efficiency is also solid for a luxury sedan, with the base model delivering an estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway. That makes the A5 not just stylish and fun to drive, but practical too. Overall, the 2025 Audi A5 continues to set the standard for what the modern luxury sedan should be. It's sleek, smart, and seriously enjoyable behind the wheel. If you're looking for a vehicle that merges everyday usability with high-end refinement, the A5 deserves your attention. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Audi A5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive spotlights right here on Rolling Legends.